How to play Spotify on different devices at the same time. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can play Spotify on different devices at the same time. Now, what you'll have to understand is, can you play Spotify with your single account on multiple devices? Well, while you can't play Spotify on two devices simultaneously with a single account, you can listen to the same music on multiple devices at the same time using a few methods. The most common method is using group session, which allows you to invite friends and family to join a shared listening session, where they can all listen to the same music on the devices. Another option is to download music and use offline mode on multiple devices, allowing you to listen to the same downloaded music without an internet connection. So basically what you can do is you can open up Spotify and you can start a jam, right? Select the device icon and choose a start a jam option, then start a jam. You can invite friends to join the jam session by copying and sharing the Spotify link or by directly selecting and sharing song. Friends can join the jam by tapping the invitation link, scanning a QR code or bringing their phones close to the device, starting the jam within 1 minute. You and your friends can listen to the same music on your respective devices simultaneously. You can also use the offline mode. If you are logged into multiple accounts and you want to listen to this music, you can download it offline for listening and then you can listen it offline without connection. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.